Francis Scott Key Bridge in Maryland has collapsed, leading to the death of at least 6 people and many injured. The bridge collapsed after a cargo ship collided with one of its pillars, leading to the collapse of the main structure. Rescue teams have been operating for more than 18 hours and are still operating, searching for survivors. It is said as many as 20 people are missing in what is deemed as a mass casualty event. The bridge has been operating for more than 50 years and is the longest bridge in Maryland. The FBI are still investigating what caused the ship to hit the bridge, though there are many speculations. Some say it's a power shortage. Some claim this is sabotage. What do you think caused the collision?